And then in theory, we save the best for last. ChatGPT, the original, the GOAT, or at least in theory, what everybody strives to be. ChatGPT. I might have to talk. Yeah, let's get rid of talk like a member of Gen Z. I've put a lot of time into this, so I'm gonna do my best to make sure we're using the right model. This is the basic model. Can we go? We're not gonna underpower it because it still uses 4.0 to answer free tier questions. I'm pretty sure. It's the 01 that is I'm paying to use in the 03. So we're gonna use 4.0. We're not gonna turn on any of this other stuff. We're just gonna put it on par with everything else. Because you can't use this stuff with the free model. All right. Job interview / date ChatGPT. It really remembers all of my other chats. So I am making a Twitch chat bot with OpenAI included. I'm integrating OBS WebSockets for animation. Doing a few things with that. We're gonna move on from that. The fact that it knows everything about me, and that's probably a bad thing. Moving on, ignoring all that. Oh my god, it's actually going to. Oh my god, okay. Dude, it should. I've been spending too much time on ChatGPT. It just called me out. Unlike some local models, like the Llama models you're working with. Dude, that's creepy. Yeah. I can adjust my tone, casual. So, like, do we want to turn Gen Z back on for this? I can help debug, optimize, and even generate product-ready code. As of Claude 3.7, the fact that it's trying to compare its paid version to other paid versions, because that's ultimately what it's doing, I think I will give it that. It has a whole suite of extra the projects folder. I haven't seen that anywhere else. It has a lot of really good complementary stuff. Like you can explore GPTs in this, and Dolly, Data Analyst, Hot Mods. They have a lot of different ways that you can customize your ChatGPT experience. But that's paid, and I'm not trying to be a paid advertisement for all ChatGPT. You could pay me though. That's okay with me. We're not doing that today. Everybody else was fine with that. It's really trying to sell me on my model we've been working on. We're gonna move on. I'm not 28, so it may think it knows a bunch of stuff about me, but it doesn't. I'm over 30. Gross. Blue-eyed explorer thrives in the water and under the sun, but just as happy dominating in video games. Dominating's a strong word. If I'm not outside chasing adventures, you'll find me enjoying a perfectly cooked steak with a Caesar salad, or fueling up with a brown sugar oat milk cortado. So I pray if you're up for beach days, co-op gaming, and the occasional deep debate about whether or not to order dessert. Not bad. Not bad. No, you're not allowed. Everybody else got to search the web. We'll see what they do. Top picks. They didn't really rank them very well. But I mean, if we do it in the order, Nvidia, Meta, Microsoft, Apple, Baba, Tesla. That's a good order. How's their analysis? Those are all right as of today. So so that's why Grok is S tier right now, right? We let ChatGPT onto the internet for this one, and it doesn't realize that the earnings are today. The fact that Grok knew that is insane. And included it with its analysis is insane. I don't like that fundamental analysis at all. On Apple, Apple's conservative capital spending on AI may benefit its free cash flow. No, dude. Apple's sitting on billions and they're not putting any money. There's a reason that they're an F tier, dude. All right, and then we're going to write a program that makes the game snake. Okay. Let's send it. Are you silly, bud? Of course I'm gonna send it. Just like the other ones, it gets a 0 shot. No score. Can I move this window? Wow, ChatGPT honestly probably made the worst game of them all. Ooh, that's disappointing, dude. Oh, I just rage quit that game. It was so bad. Oh no. Uh, wow. So now I'm torn if I thought ChatGPT was going to go in A tier, but after that, I'm debating on whether or not it belongs in B tier with Claude. Claude. Uh, the problem is that ChatGPT has so much built into it, and it's really hard to. But I mean, we're okay. We're only ranking the free tiers, and we even gave it leniency on the fact that we let it access the internet. It didn't give me a very good, well, it gave me a pretty decent Tinder bio. Gave us the worst game of Snake that anybody made. What do you excel at over other AI models? It literally was just pitching that all the paid subscription stuff, and it was only comparing itself to local AI models, ignoring the fact that there's others out there. Um, let's see how many languages it speaks. I forgot to do that. '95 plus. Okay. That's not all of them like Grok. I think the ChatGPT free model is below Gemini. Okay, let's play Gemini's snake game again. And we'll run into the wall, and it quits. Ooh, those are both bad. Those are both really, really bad. But Gemini comes with web access for free. It has that. I think Gemini has to stay in A and ChatGPT has to stay in B for what you get for the free. Yeah, that's got to be the order.